We are going to touch in here very affordable services of Harisystems, and you may find out many of the services called trainings and developments here at Hari Systems, and you will get more information from here. Tomorrow we have a great and 1 hour pre-session we have initiated to provide those who are not having any idea in software industry, the beginners who are in not to known about to how to develop a website and how to become a freelancer and how to become a front end developer and to know how to choose a career in web development. It may be like a website development or a web application development, and the combination of UI designer and front end and back end and what is database. All the questions you would be known about the information over here. And we will discuss more and more dedicatedly from 10:30 onwards. That is an IST time zone, and you will be known much information on this particular session where you will get. And we love to see you more people there to understand about this situation, the pandemic, to creating ample and much information on yourself. Looking to join over here. In Hardy Systems, once you open the website, you will find many of the online and self-paced courses also we are also offering with a very lowest prices and the guarantee of 30-day money back guarantee. And the most of the courses what we have discussed and have taken a real time and a real world examples, and those who want to be making a perfection while creating an application development or while making an steps into the development of software industry. This all will comes in a single umbrella. The people who are seeking at the real time challenges, not transferring the words. I'm I'm making you to be like a good professional. Once you are trying to learn all these things to be, you have to practice on your level. It's a very highly required how it's going to be and how you are going to be managing yourself. So very pretty important to knowing and to understand these scenarios. You will be learn much and more. Like you see here, I'll share you one more link like a very affordable and a low price challenge course. It is a complete web development 2020. What are the latest technologies which are going nowadays? And this course we have published in Udemy, and most of the popular and similar who are in touch with the IT industry, they are familiar with this Udemy site. With the help of Udemy website, we are hosted our complete web development course to avail and reach many of the people. And those who are seeking and enrolling such type of courses, you will have a lifetime access of this course. And n number of times you may visit the same lecture by rewinding and speed up and slow down and making of your convenient of this particular lectures. This course contains the curriculum, how it is designed means a lot of information available in your hands once you avail and once you subscribed this particular course. And here, what you have to be like focus on that. All about 13 sections we have decided, like defined the course sections, and where we have initiated many of these course curriculum for the beginner who can easily understand what is exactly the HTML and how to involve the HTML to CSS. Once these two things have happened, comes to the part of Bootstrap, the beautification of the web page, and the beautification it's happened how it is going to be applying of front end activities of JavaScript, and how to made WordPress site very simple and free. The content management system where you know how to go and how to be creating a thing. And come to the point of programming language which is introduced for this course is like PHP, preprocessor hypertext, which is going to be involving and where the major requirements in the real time scenario, the basic would be covered, and what are exactly the database connection, how to be established, and how it is going to be interacting with the HTML web forms to submitting the data and transmitting the data from the database to front end application, how it is going to be validating in an important and very important concepts are involved here. Once the journey is initiated from here, where you have to focus more and more on the database structure design, and the structure design where you have to point and knowing about there is a nothing in the database. I can simply say that most are the persons are familiar with Excel, Microsoft Excel spreadsheets. These Excel spreadsheet, how it is representing the rows and columns, the same way it will be displayed in database table. How you are distinguished with the sheets, it would be called as database tables. Very simple and pretty easy to understand how to create a table and which data you are focusing to be inserting in a particular column based on the data type you have to choose it. You will be guided how it is to be. Once done, it's the things set to be ready to inserting the data into the database table and fetching and getting the data from the database table, how the things will be happens. And once it's covered, these till the topics, you will be known of API calling, application programming interface. What is application programming interface? You will be very much pretty trained. These are the scenarios and how it is going to be trained based on yourself. And here you will be known the things like by calling and making of the things of like most of the websites and web pages you will be find out the contact us form to be integrate of Google Maps. Pretty easy by calling of where we are going to be mapping this map is using API. Very easy, pretty easy. You will be known of this information. And moreover, I would like to tell you once it has happened, you will be learned here advanced features of HTML5 and CSS. HTML5 will have more and more advanced options of audio video controls, advanced theming, unboxing, div tag handling, accessing of the elements, how all the things will be known. And come to the picture of CSS advancements. In CSS also, very latest and updated features are involved. You will be learn many and many options of advanced features over there. And the latest of Python language you will be known about here, and how to initiate and how to setting up of your local environment to develop Python programming language. Once you setting up of all the settings of Python language, you will be trained how to initiate a welcome program and how to initiate of to write the basics of Python programming language. This programming language will help you to very quick start to initiate your Python programming language with the help of all these concepts. I'm very much pretty sure you join tomorrow's session at 10:30 sharp AM. You will be shared the details of Harisystems.com. Visit there, or Facebook of Harisystems. You will be having much details about this promo we have released already, and you will be known about like the ID and the password of tomorrow's session is like I will tell you one more time. I'll explain you the session, the details of Zoom ID and password. Give me a second. Yeah, the tomorrow's ID session is the meeting ID is 928-2623-3037. I'll repeat once again. 928-2623-3037. And the passcode is 111-222. That is the 6 digits. 111-111 and 222. That is 222. And also you will be known much information tomorrow's session. I hope you all are at the session. We'll meet there. And you will be known about our registration link. I would like to share you today's this session. Yes, the registration URL here, sharing here. Who are interested to know more about how to create a website. I'm surely I'll tell you very simply how to create a website tomorrow. That's pretty sure. I hope you, and I'm welcoming you. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.